Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you skin whitening, milky fair skin. Get fair skin from first use. You whiten your skin tone and it's bleaching the skin naturally without any ingredients that harsh to your skin and without any kind of side effects. This is super effective remedy, super helpful with very simple ingredients at home, and it's amazingly effective and amazingly helpful. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of salt, just regular table salt, and I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you, so check it out. Add 1 teaspoon of table salt. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of rice flour, يعني كيتشافا الكاتا. Mix the dry ingredients together. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, and here I'm using natural aloe vera gel prepared at home. You can use also market aloe vera gel, whichever available for you. Then we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half like so, and add around 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. Like that, my friends. Now we need to mix well all the ingredients until all the ingredients combine very well together. Mix it well until the salt will dissolve completely. Once all the ingredients combine very well together, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like so. Apply it before you sleep and massage the skin with it for 5 minutes. Once your skin absorbs all the ingredients, go to sleep, and in the next morning you'll be amazed with the result. Fair, spotless, milky skin naturally. Repeat this every night before you sleep. You'll be amazed with the glowing and the fairness of your skin. It's super effective and super helpful. From first time, it will whiten your skin tone shades, and keep using it until you get the best results.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.